channel. Today's video, I'm going to be completely cleaning out and reorganizing my refrigerator. So I got this inspiration just browsing Pinterest and seeing a lot of really organized fridges. I want to do this within reason, so it's still nice and organized, but everything's accessible and usable, because obviously I want to eat all the food, but I really wanted to be able to cut down on waste and then see what I actually have, because I forget some stuff gets stuck in the back and I just never know what I have and I end up wasting a lot of food. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out. I'm gonna give all the shelves and the little drawers a good wipe down, make sure it's all clean and sanitized. I'm gonna be using to organize are gonna be things from IKEA, things from Target, and just other things that I've picked up that I haven't found a use for in my house to organize. So yeah, everything's really affordable, but I really wanna make my fridge look a little bit nicer and more Pinteresty, I guess. If you guys are new, I really hope you'd subscribe before we get into this video. It's the big red button down below. It's absolutely free, but it really just helps my channel out to get out there a little bit more, and then so you guys don't miss out any videos that are going to be coming in the future. So that is it. Let's go ahead and get into the fridge clean and not decorate with me. I almost said that. Fridge clean and organize. Okay, so let's go ahead and open my fridge, see what we're working with. So I just went to the grocery store yesterday, so everything should be what we eat on a normal basis. We have it. So this will be a good opportunity for me to go ahead and organize. So yeah, as you can see, we have a lot of just random stuff, and also I know our food is not the healthiest. We know. Really anxious to wipe down all these shelves, because something spilled up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it needs to be wiped out. You know, just like the grime of fridges that needs to be clean. So we're gonna go through all of this, and then I might even print off labels for the drawers. Like, I know that it says like chill and fresh, but I might put exactly what's supposed to be in each drawer just to, I don't know. I saw it on Pinterest and it looked cute, and I have a Cricut, so I can cut that out. But we're gonna go ahead and start taking everything out. So it's gonna get really messy before it gets better, and then completely wipe down and reorganize. Hey guys, so I got pretty much everything taken out. I'm gonna leave this because I kind of just went through it, and these drawers aren't really dirty, but I took all the shelves and everything out. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna have to call Aaron in. I don't know. It's like rock solid. I don't know if it's supposed to be there or what. I doubt it's supposed to be there. I need to ask him. But yeah, so we got a fresh, clean canvas, so I'm gonna shut this so it stays cold while I clean all the drawers and everything. So it's looking good, looking a little crazy in here, but it's fine. It's gonna be all nice and clean in just a few minutes. Okay guys, so it is like a lot later because it took me forever to get these drawers back in. I don't know why, I just couldn't mentally do it. I don't know, so I struggled for a while and it took me a long time to clean everything. So I had to have Aaron come and help me, but everything's looking pretty good. So I want to show you guys the progress I've made. So I've cleaned everything out. And then down in this drawer, I just have some Dr. Peppers and then red potatoes that I use to like make mashed potatoes. In this drawer, I just have this little container. It's a really old Tupperware container and it has our turkey bacon in it. And then this drawer is gonna be like our cheese and sandwich kind of drawer. So we have some Romano cheese, just a bunch of different kinds of cheeses, some wraps or tortillas, and then turkey. So that's what we have in this drawer so far. And then as we move up, I have this little container. I'm not done with this one yet, but I've got Parmesan cheese and onion and then garlic. So like kind of things I use when I'm baking or cooking. And then up here, we have our cute little fruit basket. It has all sorts of oranges, apples, lemons, limes, pretty much everything in here. So I just thought that looked so cute. And then we have our like Pillsbury crescent rolls, biscuits. We usually have cinnamon roll, like the big cinnamon rolls. We have the little ones today. And then back there is my almond milk. I'm gonna have to move that because I need that every day. And then we have a thing of chicken broth. Like I said, I'm still working on this, but I wanted to give you guys an update. And then up here, I have these little organizers. So I just put my yogurts in them and then my applesauce. I don't know why, I love applesauce and I take it to school to eat as a snack. So I keep these in here. I think that looks so much nicer than having those like big cartons in here. And then it just saves a lot more space because I'm able to stack them. And then just our butter. And then I'm working up here, but I've got our eggs. So that's a good overview. I'm gonna show you guys the things from IKEA that I'm using to organize. This is from Target, and these big clear bins are from Target. And these were only $7. And I feel like these can get really expensive, especially if you go to the Container Store. So I have the two of these that I showed you guys. So I really like these. Okay, so my favorite thing that I am so excited to use are these adorable containers from IKEA. They're just glass containers with the bamboo tops. They're really affordable, so I got 4 of these to try out and cut up some things and keep them in there so they're accessible. So we're gonna start putting some things in here and then organizing the fridge and wrap this video up. Okay guys, so I think I am done organizing the fridge. So I'm gonna give you guys a final tour. So in these containers from IKEA, first of all, I absolutely love these. The tops are really cheap and the actual containers are really cheap. I got like everything in IKEA for 20 bucks or something crazy. So carrots, strawberries, fresh green beans, and then spinach. I always like to throw spinach either in a smoothie or I use it to make chicken and gnocchi. And then just fresh green beans I will use for like when we have chicken. I'll do chicken, rice, and green beans. And then carrots are a good snack. And then you can always just, I cook with them a lot too. And then in the back I have my almond milk. So that's the first shelf. So moving on down to the second shelf, I already showed you guys, but I put my eggs down here just because I feel like right when I walk in I can see them and grab one if I need it. My applesauce and my yogurts, and then my butter is in the back. Next shelf is going to be my fruit basket, and it has apples, oranges, lemons, limes, things like that I'll be using pretty often. And in the back I just have an old thing of chicken broth I don't want to throw away yet. And then all my like biscuits, crescent rolls, usually I have the big cinnamon rolls, but I have the little ones in here today. Stuff like that will be here. We usually only use this stuff on like Saturdays or when we're home for breakfast. And then down here in this little container is just some Parmesan, some garlic, and my onions. So just kind of random, so I didn't really know what to do with. And then I already showed you guys in here is gonna be like meats, cheeses, stuff like that for sandwiches, tortilla wraps. Down here, well, I have some leftovers that Aaron's gonna eat later. I have some baked potatoes, and then the container that I keep our turkey bacon in will be in this little drawer. And then the bottom is just drinks, so like Dr. Peppers and stuff. Over here, I feel like you can't organize this more than it already is, so I just mainly organized it according to size, so stuff that would fit in this shelf versus this shelf. So down here I just have like apple butter, jams, grape jam, strawberry jam, and then ketchup. I don't know why that's here, but it just fit. Down here is just random as well. Sour cream, some Alfredo, pizza sauce, marinara, taco sauce, half and half. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So everything's a lot cleaner and a lot more organized. So I'm glad I took the time to do this, and I just love opening up my fridge now. So I think it looks so much better, and I just know I'm not gonna waste as much food because I can clearly see how much I have of each thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you here. So that is it. If you do this to your fridge, I'd love to see pictures. So I love to see before and after, so DM me those on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.